Hi, Dimeji again. Thank you for being here. If you're just watching for the first time, you're welcome. And if you are returning, you're also welcome again. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to play simple song with the very first 5 sound on the trumpet. The sounds are C, D, E, F, and G. Using software notation, it sounds like this: do, re, mi, fa, sol. Now, the first sound is played by opening, not pressing any of the valves, which is C. The second, D, 1 and 3. The third, E, 1 and 2. The fourth, F, valve 1. And the last, G, is an open note, also like C. Now everything played together. Now note the difference between the two open valve notes, C and G, is the opening between your lips, the upper and lower lips. You firm them up and leave a tiny opening when you are hitting the note G. That is so, but you keep it more relaxed and open for the note C, do. Now, let's resonate between the two notes. Now, the difference is happening here, not the pressure or the force you use in playing. It's just around the lips. Now watch my lips buzz, how it firms up when hitting the high note. Now let's apply that. Now we're going to play a song with a 5 note sound we have just learned, and it's a popular song, Mary Had a Little Lamb. Slowly first. Now a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give a like. And if you want to watch more video like this in future, don't forget to subscribe below. and you'll be the first to get them when they're put out there. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.